Today I'm going to teach you how to tape yourself if you have an Achilles tendinopathy, an Achilles tendinitis, or any kind of Achilles bursitis. So we're going to use the kinesiology tape. You're going to tape it to about yay length, so about kind of halfway up the calf, just because when we give it a stretch, it's going to go all the way up to the calf, okay? You're going to save about an inch, just here, and you're just going to lay this underneath your heel without any tension on it. Make sure there's no tension, so this way you don't get any blisters. The hard part and the most uncomfortable part is you want to try to bring your toes up towards your knee as much as you can. And this would put a nice stretch on the Achilles. It'll help to open everything up, but it'll also add a little bit of a stretch on the tape. So you're gonna grab the tape, running it along your Achilles, give it a nice pull, and you're just gonna lay it down on the calf, just like that. And it should follow along that Achilles tendon. The last one, with a shorter piece, we're just gonna apply a bit of compression over the Achilles tendon itself, especially where you're sore. So I'm getting a bit of soreness right at the insertion here. So again, leave an inch without any tension. Coming over, give it a nice pull so it actually compresses down, and then leave a bit at the end. And that's it. That's how you tape for an Achilles tendinitis. Click here if you want to see the last video we posted. It's good stuff. All right, we'll see you guys next time.